I want to take a look at problem 7 in section 3.1. Basically, what they're telling us is that the mean of 5 numbers is equal to 10 for set A. So add all 5 together and divide by 5 and set that equal to 10 because we know that that's the average. Okay, once you do that, what they're asking for on this next step is what they're trying to see if you can do is multiply both sides by 5. So the answer here should be 5 times your 10, or 10 times 5 equals those 5 numbers added together, and then 5 times 10 is 50. In step 2, they want us to take what we already have, they all total 50, and add another 15 to that original data set. And now we're dividing by 6 numbers. So remember, we got 50 plus our additional number of 15, and we have to divide that by 6 to get our new mean, which is 10.83. Okay, now let's look at set B. We're adding an additional number of 15 to that data set. So we're going to do the same thing. In that one, it said we had 50 numbers, so we'll be dividing by 50, and its average was 10. And to find what those numbers total, we're going to multiply both sides of our equation by this denominator. So multiply both sides of this equation by 50. So that's where this 50 times 10 comes from. And 55 times 10 is 500. So the total of all 50 numbers in set B, the total of all those numbers is 500. But remember, they want to know if we add one more number that totals 15, there's your 500 plus 15, but now we have to divide by a total of 51 numbers because we had 50 to begin with, and now we have 51, and that gives us a mean of 10.10. So for set A, we have a new mean of 10.83, and for set B, we have a new mean of 10.10. Then the question asks, set B has more data values than set A. With the additional value added, set B has a relatively smaller increase in the mean. So set B has more data, but really it made the mean go, it has a smaller increase in mean because the mean of A was what, 10.8, and the mean of B is right here, which was 10.10. So to conclude, including an additional value to a smaller data set will affect the mean more than the addition of that same value added to a larger data set. So I hope that helps.